The wine making process. The wine making process. The first step or first stage of winemaking, the first step or the first stage to make wine is harvesting, 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 reception, 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 receiving, receiving, reception, reception, to receive the grapes in the winery, sorting, sorting, sorting. The second step, crushing, crushing, to crush, to crush, to crush the grape, crushing. To press, to press, to press the grape, the pressing, pressing, the pressing process. Then we have the third stage, maceration, maceration, to macerate, macerate, macerating the must, macerating the juice, macerating the grapes, maceration process. Y luego, fermentation, fermentation, the fermentation process, fermentation, to ferment, to ferment, to ferment our must, to convert it into wine. The fourth step, the racking process, to rack the wine, the racking process. Y luego, the remontage, remontage, which is the pumping over, to pump over the wine, pump over, the pumping over. The fifth step, step number 5, clarification, 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 to clarify the wine, to clarify the wine. We also have the filtering process, filtering process, filtering process, to filter the wine, to filter the wine. I will filter my wine. Step number 6, bottling process, the bottling process, and also the aging process, aging, aging. We are going to age our wine. We can age our wine in a bottle, or we can also age our wine in a barrel, barrel.